Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2003 Ford F-250 service truck. This particular truck's got the 7.3 liter turbo diesel and a 5 or 6 speed with a low gear manual transmission. This truck's showing just under 76,000 miles. Those are original accurate miles. It's a one owner truck. We got the truck in, not how you see it, but we had it, came in with a truck bed. We had this nice Knapheide service body sitting, and we said, well, let's put it on there. The original bed was a little rusty, but the rest of the truck was good, so it was a perfect candidate, and that's what we did. It looks nice on there. We had the box painted. Pretty good job. You can tell it's been painted, but it looks nice. And the box itself's in good shape. No rust. The insides of the box is clean. It does show a little residual paint on the inside where it was red. Inside the doors, they didn't take too much caution on the inside because, well, it's the inside, but actual in boxes are in very nice shape. All of these open, they have their own locking locks. Also you have a lock here. Inside's clean. You can house a lot of tools or material in there. You can crouch down and get up in there if you need to. This truck runs and drives nice. It feels tight. It only, like you said, 76,000 miles. I hate to use the term barely broken in, but this thing really is barely broken in. It's a baby. And the holy grail being an 03, last 7.3. We had this frame professionally sandblasted and painted. They do a very nice job. They do pretty much everything underneath. It had a slight scale, you can kind of see there, but that sandblast treatment really does these trucks a wonder. It is an older truck, a northern truck, so it did have normal surface and scaling on the frame, but nothing completely through or any areas of concern there. But the cab itself is in real nice shape. All these tires are in good shape. Sandblast there, they do a good job of preserving the frame and getting every nook and cranny, but I don't have to tell you what this engine is. I'm sure you guys know. Only 76,000 miles. This thing's a pretty rare bird. It is four-wheel drive, locking front hubs, manual locking. The extended cab, it's got manual windows and locks. Kind of a bare bones truck in here. It's a work truck, vinyl floors, cloth seat. Heat and air, radio, and all that good stuff. It's got everything you'd want for a work truck. One that's probably going to last you a long time. But you got a little jumper seat back here, an extended cab. But you can see these cab corners are in good shape. rockers. Under the doors are not too bad. Had a little bit of rust repair at some point, but they're nice. A little bit of bubbling there, but it's all normal for this truck, and I'd say it's very minimal. Alright guys, there you have it. You check this truck out on eBay where it's listed for sale, and shoot me a message, give me a call, I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.